We live in a world that never stops talking. News, notifications, voices, opinions. It's like the whole planet is shouting, and everyone's afraid to stop listening. But somewhere between the noise and the next scroll, we have forgotten what silence sounds like. There was a time when people had slow mornings, when sunlight through the window was enough to wake you, when breakfast wasn't rushed and you could actually taste your tea. Work used to end with coming home, not with checking emails again. Evenings were about family, laughter, quiet reflection, and if the day was heavy, people sat with it. They didn't scroll it away. Now mornings are a race. Even before our feet touch the ground, our minds are already sprinting. And when the day finally ends, silence feels unbearable. If there's nothing to do, we invent something. We go out, we drink, we gossip, we post. Because being still now feels like being left out. A friend once told me he can't sleep without a video playing. He said if it's too quiet, my mind gets too loud. And that's what the noise has done to us. We have confused distraction for peace. We have mistaken constant input for living. We think we are escaping boredom, but we are actually escaping ourselves. You see, silence isn't just the absence of sound. It's the presence of clarity. It's where your mind breathes. It's the space where truth finally speaks after being droned all day. But we have built a life that runs from that truth. We fill every empty space with someone's story, someone's opinion, someone's noise. And slowly, we stop hearing our own. Have you noticed, we talk so much about self-love, but we rarely spend time alone. We chase balance, but our days are chaos. We want peace, but can't sit still long enough to find it. It's ironic. Silence, once so ordinary, has become a luxury for the modern soul. Because now, peace has a price. You have to fight for it. You have to say no to noise, no to the endless scrolling, no to the illusion that busy means fulfilled. Today's lifestyle has quietly trained us to stay busy, not for growth, not for meaning, but for proof. Proof that we exist, that we are doing something, that we belong to this era of constant motion. We fill our hours with noise, not because we want to, but because stillness feels suspicious now. If we don't have something to post, something to show, we fear people will think we have fallen behind, or worse, that we are invisible. We don't live our moments anymore, we capture them. We don't rest, we go offline for a bit. Even silence has become performative, wrapped in a caption that says, recharging. Our lives have turned into timelines and our thoughts into notifications. There's a reason burnout feels normal. There's a reason rest feels guilty. And there's a reason we keep comparing our lives to others. Because we have forgotten how to look inward. The noise out there keeps us from facing what's inside us. And maybe that's the hardest truth of all. But here's the thing. Peace never left you. It's been waiting in the quiet corners of your room. In the walk you never take without your phone. In the breath you never pause to notice. You don't need a mountain or a meditation retreat. You just need to remember how to be. Close the apps. Let the silence in. Let your mind adjust to stillness again. Because silence doesn't mean you have stopped living. It means you have started listening. In a world that never stops talking, maybe your greatest act of strength is learning to be quiet. If this message spoke to you, maybe it's a sign to pause, to slow down, to sit with yourself for a while. You don't have to fill every moment. Some moments are meant to be felt in silence. This is Awakening Thoughts, a space to help you reconnect with life beyond the noise.